Big development. He looked very, very upset, and we had told you that the inside details were that he was unhappy about being there. And we are given to understand that the former Army Chief General VK Singh has offered to step down as the MOS MEA. That is what we are given to understand. This is a big development, and Brigadier Malingam, you would know, this former Army Chief would have felt the pinch of having to go there as India's representative and stand amidst those traitors, and especially when Abdul Basit is busy encouraging anti-India activities.
Absolutely. Anand, the point that you must remember, every soldier, if he is soldier, I repeat, every soldier would have detested what happened yesterday. The point is, the soldier, for a soldier, camaraderie is more important than anything else. You would have noticed that the soldier feels, he doesn't understand your politics, he doesn't understand your diplomacy. He says that our men are dying, our people are giving their life, day in and day out people are being shifted to the hospital. There are people who are losing their husbands, there are people who are losing their children going as orphans because the father has died. And so no army officer would have ever liked it, and I'm sure General VK Singh would have gone very reluctantly, and perhaps because he was nominated to go there. And immediately thereafter, he has tweeted 4 or 5 tweets wherein we have very clearly brought out one about the problem of how he feels about it, and then he has also said about duty. And this, if he has said that he is prepared to resign, I think this man would,
Brigadier Malingam, see, he put out the duty hashtag and also the disgust hashtag and those tweets last night. Very clearly he was upset. We got to know the inside details that he did not want to go there, but it was impressed upon him not just by the External Affairs Minister, but also from the PMO. A personal call had gone and said, you have to go because we have to send one representative as per protocol.